This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer CSR2 data easily. First, make sure your current game progress is linked to a cloud service. This could be Apple's Game Center for iOS devices or Google Play Games for Android users. This crucial step creates a secure backup of your valuable game data. Additionally, linking your game to a Facebook account provides another reliable method for data recovery. We'll cover both options to ensure your progress is safe. To use the Cloud Save method, first confirm you are signed into the correct Game Center or Google Play Games account on your current device. Open CSR2 and look for the Cloud Save indicator, usually a small cloud icon, to ensure your progress is synced. On your new device, simply install CSR2 and sign in with the exact same cloud service account. Your saved game data should then automatically download, restoring your progress seamlessly. For the Facebook link method, open CSR2 and go to the game settings. Find the option to connect your game to Facebook and follow the prompts to link your account. This creates a backup tied to your Facebook profile. When you get a new device, install CSR2, then go to settings and log into the same Facebook account. Your game progress will then be retrieved, allowing you to continue playing without losing anything. Remember, always maintain a stable internet connection when attempting any data transfer to prevent corruption. It's also wise to avoid deleting CSR2 from your old device until you've successfully confirmed your progress is fully restored on the new one. This provides a safety net in case of any issues. Before you go, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to them and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.